Okay, recently with the launch of Nothing Phone 3, Nothing did announce a feature called Nothing Essential Search, and that feature is now live for Nothing phones via the latest update of Nothing Launcher. So in this video, we'll talk about Essential Search and what new you get with the Nothing Launcher. But before moving ahead, if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have my Nothing Phone 3a Pro, and towards the left hand side we have Nothing Phone 2. So I haven't updated the launcher yet. I'll show you guys how to install that particular launcher and what all changes you guys get to see. First of all, what you need to do, just download the APK file from the description below, and it's a bundled APK, so you guys won't be able to install it directly. To install this, you need to download an application called APK Mirror. This link can also be found in the description below, or you can just search it on the Play Store. And some users are already getting this update of Nothing Launcher via Play Store. But currently on my device, though I'm a part of beta program, still I haven't received the update. So in that case, just download the APK Mirror from the Play Store, open it, and you'll see this screen. Tap on Browse File and select the file which you have downloaded. I mean the bundled pack of launcher. So here I have that APK. Tapping on it, tap on Install Package. You might get to see an ad. Just watch the ad and install the APK. Allow all the necessary permissions. After that, you'll see a pop-up of updating the launcher. Tap on Update and you are good to go. Now you can close this application, and now let's take a look at the changes. So we'll compare it here with the Nothing Phone 2, where we haven't updated the launcher. First of all, let me show you the launcher version now. You can see the previous version of Nothing Launcher was 3.2.5 and this latest version is 3.3.4. So this is the current version where you'll find the Essential Search feature. First of all, let's talk about the UI changes. You can see now we have a proper separation between the background and foreground. For the recently used app, we have a different section, though it was already there previously, but now you can also see the spacing towards the right hand side, which wasn't the case previously. And other applications are in a different section. Also, the search bar have been moved towards the bottom side previously, which was towards the top side. And whenever you tap on the search bar, you'll see the recent application. But on the previous version, if you tap in the search bar, only the keyboard pops up. So I do like the new design here in the app drawer. And talking about the smart drawer, here also if you see there are some changes. Previously the text was app drawer only, and now we have the text as app drawer and search. Also, type of list name have been changed to drawer layout. And towards the bottom side, we have default search engine. Currently, it's still in beta phase, so it doesn't work fully. And now let's see the changes, what they have done in the smart drawer. So this is how the smart drawer looks now, and you can take a look at the previous version. Now the spacing have been completely reduced. Previously, there was a spacing between each section, but now that has been reduced. And now the folder size have also been increased compared to previous one. Again, the search bar have been moved towards the bottom side, which was on the top side previously. And if you go to customization section, tapping on layout, here for the search bar, now we have multiple options. You have the option of no search bar, web search, and essential search. Just tap on apply, and now on the home screen also the essential search have been activated, which replaces the Google search option, though it doesn't have the functionality of AI search, which will be introduced with the upcoming updates. And now let me show you how does this essential search feature works. So whenever you type anything here, for example, let's type Instagram, you can see it shows the application along with the other options like camera, view activity, new post, or even chat. And now it also brings universal search. So directly from here itself, you can search for anything. For example, I'll type PH. You can see towards the top side, application do appears. The favorite contact list also appears, also giving an option to add a new contact, and some other options like photos because it starts with PH. And towards the bottom side, we also have the option of widgets. From here itself, you can directly access the widgets instead of going to the widget section. And similar way, if you search any application, it provides you options of widgets and few shortcuts like, new note, new list, new audio note. So it's a pretty good implementation what they are doing here in the Nothing Launcher application. And as I said, they'll be introducing AI features which will directly let you get answers just by typing in the search bar. As said, that's not been added here currently on this build because the devices are running Nothing OS 3.1. That feature will be coming with Nothing OS 3.5. Basically, this feature is also from Nothing OS 3.5, but we have the early access of launcher. So guys, these are the only changes what we will see currently with this latest build of Nothing Launcher. I'll keep you guys posted if we get any new update for Nothing Launcher. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.